Coming to the last part of the chapter, that is, what is geographical field visit? Now, there are few important points to be taken into consideration while talking of a field visit. As we all know, field visit is an important study method in geography. Geographical concepts and elements can be directly experienced through field visit. Field visits are extremely useful for understanding the correlation between humans and the environment. Some of the important pointers have been mentioned on the slides given before you all. First point, preparation for field visit. Now, before going to a field visit, we need to decide the place and purpose of the visit. That is, for which place do we need to go and why are we going to that particular place. Next, the elements which will be observed in the field visit should be decided. Example, if we are going to a plain region near a river, we need to observe which river flows along that region, how long will the river be, where does the river meet, what are the nature around of it, are there trees, which kind of animals are there, which kind of insects do you find, etc. Next, study the location map and the route map of the place to be visited. In which location does it lie? That is towards the north, south, east, west of a particular region. Which route will be the best to reach to that particular place? Next, distance, transport route, means of transport and duration of field visit should be planned ahead. With the help of a teacher, students can also prepare a questionnaire, which is very important on a field visit. Going to the next point, we have selection of the study area. Geographical field visit is organized for a study of various elements. Example, physical landforms, river banks, dams, coastal areas, tourism sites, offices or museums related to geographical elements, villages, forest areas, etc. Elements should be selected after studying the local condition and necessary permission letters have to be obtained. For a field visit, you should carry a notebook, specimen questionnaire, pen, pencil, scale, tape, compass, a bag for collecting samples, maps, camera, if needed, etc. Below given are few of the images on a field visit. The first image shows the river banks. The second image on the screen shows the coastal areas. Next, we have the different kind of landforms. Mountain slopes, different agriculture carried on different mountains, or a hilly area. Next, we have images of dams. If we are on a visit of a dam, next, we have tourist sites for a field visit. Different temples, places, or religious sites. Next, what precautions should be taken during a field visit. It is very important to ensure safety of ourselves and even others during a field visit. Secondly, you should obey the instructions given by the teachers. You should not go to unknown remote places alone. During field visit, you should try to understand the local circumstances by conversing with local people. Know about their habits, what